Hey guys, I hope you're all doing very well. Welcome back to another video. And today, I've got a matchday vlog for you guys. And today, Chelsea are playing Everton. So, the last few games with Chelsea has been very much a hit and miss. Like, we had a very good late comeback win against Manchester United out of, extraordinary circumstances. But unfortunately, we weren't able to use that result and turn the form around against Sheffield United, and it was a pretty poor performance against them. So it seems like deja vu again, and we just have to try and somehow get a good uplifting performance against Everton today, because it's going to be a very, very important week. We got Everton today, and then also on Saturday, we got the FA Cup semi-final against Manchester City. I feel like they've got a lot of momentum now going into that game, considering Liverpool and Arsenal lost their games on the weekend. So it really boosts their title chances. So they're probably going into that with a lot of confidence. So we really need to up our confidence as well for this game in order to prepare for Saturday. With Everton, I think it's going to be an interesting game. They did beat us 2-0 at Goodison Park. Probably deserved as well because of the way they played. So it's going to be a very interesting game. I don't think this is going to be any sort of stroll in the park by any stretch, although they're within the bottom half of the table, within the relegation area. So, but obviously they've had all these points deductions and everything going on. I'm not so sure how to assess that, to be honest. And they do have like some times where they've been playing some good football at times. I think they beat Burnley in their last game, and they did receive another 2 points deduction. So I think they're looking to at least get the form going and, putting a performance against us, which, judging the games that we've been playing this time, even against like sides like Burnley and Sheffield United, it wouldn't surprise me that Everton could do the same and they could cause us a few troubles. So, yeah, interesting game. I hope Chelsea could really get the form going and get, the results and build the confidence and push us up the table, especially for fighting for Europe this season. But who knows? It's very unpredictable knowing how these games go. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, dislike if you want to dislike. And yeah, see you later.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to... Okay, Stamford Bridge, here we go. Let's confirm your starting 11 to beginning with the visitors from Everton in goal. Number 1, Jordan Pickford. Number 6, James Tarkowski. 7, Dwight McNeil. Number 8, Amadou Onana. Number 14, Beto. 16, Abdoulaye Doucouré. Number 18, Ashley Young, 19 Vitaly Nikolenko, number 23 Captain Seamus Coleman, 32 Jared Brathwaite, and 37 James Garner. Okay, Stamford Bridge, let's make some noise for you, Chelsea, starting 11. In goal, number 28, Georgia Petrovic. Number 27, Malo Gusto. Number 14, Trevor Chalaba. Number 6, Thiago Silva. Number 3, Mark Cucurella. Number 25, Moses Caicedo. Number 23, he's your captain, Conor Gallagher. Number 11, Donny Man Whiting. Your number 20, number 10, Misha Mudrick. And number 15, Nicholas Jackson.
Boy, the best chance. Well, Cole Palmer's at it again. That's another goal. He's really leading the Premier League goal scoring chart at the moment. That's another goal for him. It's 1-0 Chelsea. Let's go. Nah, it's a fine goal. Yeah, Jackson's on his day. Come on, look at Mudrick. Oh! What? Oh! Come on, this is good. Right place, right time, got the header. It's 2 for Palmer, 2-0 Chelsea. Come on. They check every goal. has a first half hat-trick. It's a mistake by Pickford. He kicked the ball straight to Palmer. He lobbed him over right in his half. And it's 3-0. Come on. Good check it, you never know.
The way he's walking though indicates like...
He's all good. Well, that's a wake-up call, really.
Yeah. I fucking learned from that! He's got so much pace when he's in the grip. He's can use it.
Now Jackson's gone to the action, 4-0.
I think it might be offside, mate. It looks offside.
Well, who would have been offside?
Cucurella, I think. It's close, it might not be.
Well, we don't know at the moment, but at the moment, 4-0, come on. Yeah, it's a good finish. I think the goal looks good.
The fourth official is indicating there'll be a minimum of 5 minutes added time.
Time for another one.
Okay guys, so it's half time. It's Chelsea 4, Everton 0. I have to say that's a really one-sided first half. It's probably the best first half we've seen us play. We really dominated play, dominated the press. We really got some great build-up play to get the goals. Cole Palmer got first half hat-trick, which was great for him. Really pushed him up to fight for the golden boot. But yeah, overall just a sensational performance. I have to say Everton really looked abysmal today. Really no control of the play, just second best at tackles. Their press was pretty poor as well. And yeah, just a one-sided first half. So hopefully better in the second half. And yeah, see you later. Alright, come on.
That is the worst dive I've ever seen.
Right, it looks like it's a penalty for Chelsea. So we'll just see who's going to take it. So they have a chance to make it 5. Right, come on. Racking up the goals now. It's 5-0. 4 goals for Palmer. Let's go. We're approaching nearly the 90th minute of the game. It seems like the game is just retaining control and just really sealing the game out. So
I honestly think he's going to blow.
Well, Alfie Gilchrist has scored. Really happy for him. Great for him. Right near the end of the game. It's 6-0. Come on. Yeah, he really lined that one up. Wow, I mean, the Everton end looks really empty.
There's nobody there.
To be fair, you can't really blame them for leaving early. It's been, like, you'll be very disappointed with the performance from what they were. Okay, guys, so I just came home now. So the game finished Chelsea 6, Everton 0. Man, what a scintillating display of football. That's probably the best football I've seen us play for a very long time. So, yeah, everything about the performance was there for pure perfection. The passing was slick. The pressing was good. The intensity was quick. Cole Palmer, man, he is just absolutely phenomenal. You know, he's pretty much now tied with Haaland for, you know, the Premier League Golden Boot. And he really, really has to deserve an England call-up for the Euros. I mean, I don't know where we would be without him, honestly. Now, for all how perfect we were and how great the performance was, I do have a real critique about the way we handled the penalty. You know, especially like Madueke and Jackson's reaction. You know, we really need real leadership. You know, we can't have egos or, you know, people, you know, thinking about themselves. At the end of the day, it's about the team performance, it's about the discipline, and really just trying to set standards at the club. At the end of the day, we have Cole Palmer, who's on the pitch. He's our main penalty man. So you can't argue against who's going to be the main penalty taker, and you have to set the standards right. So, you know, that's like the only real critique I really have about the display. Everything felt overshadowed by that moment. this win is very important for us to really get us going for the Man City game. I really think the reaction has to be there. The intensity was perfect, and I think, judging the performance today, we could really, take on Man City, and hopefully we could get potentially a result, considering that they're probably full of confidence after, the other team, how Arsenal and Liverpool performed on the weekend. So, they got momentum, and now we delivered the momentum too. So that's a very, very important sign. I also want to say, though, for Everton, though, they were really horrendous. I mean, I know there's lots of things that's going on with Everton right now that is kind of overshadowing a lot of things about the performance and the way the club is going. And I think today the performance kind of showed that. I know there's lots of things going on with the Premier League, as well as the financial situations, the points deductions. But that performance today was really poor. And, lots of Everton fans just left the ground early. And to be honest, I couldn't blame them. The performance was really just a lack of heart, a lack of desire, lack of creativity, second best to everything. And, it's going to be a tough ride for Everton till the end of the season, for sure. I mean, they're within, the mix of the relegation zone or relegation battle. I think they're only 2 points above the relegation zone at the moment. And, they've got some tough fixtures as well. So, hopefully for them, they could claw themselves back up and, get some performance going. Because obviously I'm sure for them, what they saw today was a complete disgrace. So, hopefully things will look better for them. But today, it was a horrendous performance for them. But at the same time, I have to say Chelsea was scintillating today. And, we need to get, the momentum going, especially for the FA Cup semi-final. So you got to give us a lot of credit as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, dislike if you want to dislike. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, that's it. See you later.